Hello folks, my name is Steven. Welcome to my channel, Trading Chain. The reason why I called this channel Trading Chain is because each chain connection you have is your knowledge. The more chain connections you have, the more knowledge you have. I am 9 years old and I learn about finance and trading. I started learning about finance and trading when I was 6. Over this time period, I've watched thousands of videos and read hundreds of books about finance and trading. I started trading on live money last January, so I am currently trading for 1 year. During school break, I trade from Monday to Friday, the whole day, while others play with balls. After school, I have 45 minutes of day trading. Doing so, I can keep going and I do not waste my time. Why did I choose to trade on the stock market and not to work in any other job? Well, the reason why I chose to trade on the stock market and not to do any other job is because I can deal with my own time. I will not have to wake up at 7 a.m. to go to work at 9, to end work at 5, and then to drive back home through all the traffic. I will also be a boss to my own self. When I trade, I can do anything I want, and it's based on my own prior knowledge. When I work on a job, the boss tells me what to do, so I'm working on the boss orders. Also, boss takes a lot of the percentage of my payment, so I don't get the real payment that I'm supposed to get. But on trading, I can get unlimited money, and nobody gets a percentage of my money that I earned. In a job, there is always a limit of your payments. For example, if a doctor gets $240,000 a year as its highest payment, even though he has worked in that same hospital for many years and that he's the most professional doctor there, he will never be able to break this limit. But that is the opposite in trading. So, what is the stock market? In a quick, easy, understandable way, the stock market is the place where you can buy and sell stocks. Doing so, you can win or lose money. The market opens at 9:30 a.m. and closes at 4 p.m. It works from Monday to Friday. What are you going to learn while watching my lessons? I am going to start teaching you the most basic things that a beginner needs for trading. But you have to understand one thing. It will take you a very long time before you start doing anything. For example, if you do not know what 2 plus 2 will equal, you will never know what 325 plus 427 will. At the end of each lesson, I will give you homework to research more about the topic that we were talking about in that video. You will hear a lot about candlesticks. If you do not know what candlesticks are little red things and little green things that you can find on charts. More specifically, candlesticks tell you information about what's happening on the charts. You will also hear about trends. A trend is where a market is going at the current time. A market can go in 3 directions: up, down, and sideways. You will hear about patterns. Patterns can help you find entry points. They can help you with your strategies. And they can help you predict where the market is going to go at the current time. You will also hear about indicators. Indicators help you with your strategies. They help you find entry points, and they help you predict where the market is going to go at the current time. There are thousands of indicators, but most of them are useless. For example, on my platform, Thinkorswim, there are hundreds of indicators, but I don't use most of them. I will teach you in my videos which indicators you should use and which indicators you should ignore. But it's your choice. You can use any indicator you want. You will also learn about the platform that I trade on, Thinkorswim. I will help you open up TD Ameritrade, and I will help you set up Thinkorswim. There are thousands of tools on the Thinkorswim trading platform, and I will teach you how to use a lot of them. You should ignore some of the tools because they are useless, but as with the indicators, you can use any single tool you want. I will also teach you on how to start making money before you're 18, so you won't waste your time while waiting for the time to happen that you're 18, so you can open up a platform to trade on. There are a lot of books that tell you about how to trade, invest, etc. But some of the books tell you nothing about trading. I will help you find the books that will really help you in your trading. There are thousands of videos and channels on YouTube that help you find information about trading, but most of the videos and channels tell you how easy it is to make money and how easy it is to day trade. But that is wrong. It takes you a long time before you start to master your skills and to even before you sit in front of a platform and trade. Well, that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching.